Hi, my name is Carol Wolf. I'm a dog trainer and behavior consultant with Doggy Manners in Los Angeles. And your life is hectic enough. You don't have to spend a lot of time training your dog. So what we're going to talk about today is keeping your dog off the couch. What you want to do when you're home is just have him on a leash, and when he gets on the couch, you just simply pull him off by the leash. He gets up again, you pull him off. He gets up again, you pull him off again. You just continue to pull him off until he doesn't want to jump up again. And when you're not home, the easiest way to keep your dog off the couch is to put a heavy plastic sheet on the couch, because it's a lot less comfortable to sit on the plastic sheet than it is on comfy cushions. We just talked about keeping your dog off the couch both when you're home and when you're not home. This is Carol Wolf with Doggy Manners. Until next time.